Why do 99% of people think falling into lava is like sinking in quicksand? Let's bust that myth. Here's what really happens. First off, lava isn't like water. It's thick, sticky, and super hot, over 1,000 degrees Celsius. If you fell in, you wouldn't sink. You'd hit the surface, maybe bounce and burn instantly. The heat alone would likely kill you before you even land. Plus, the toxic gases around a volcano? Yeah, you'd pass out from those too. So, sorry, no slow-motion sinking scene here. It's fast, it's deadly, and honestly, it's a terrible idea. Got more wild science questions? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.